Good morning, students. Welcome to this HR elective paper, Organizational Theory, Design and Development online lecture class. Today, what we are going to discuss is how the organizational culture is to created and sustain in an organization. Creating and sustaining organizational culture. The first what we are going to discuss is how the organizational culture begins. As you all know, what is meant by organizational culture? It is a tradition, it is a custom, it is a value, it is a belief that following in an organization. How that value, how that tradition, how that belief are begin in an organization. How it begins means an organization current customs tradition, it is a general way of doing things largely by the employees what it has done before. Previously what they have followed. What is their tradition of the founder of the organization. Maximum this organizational culture start up with the ideas and tradition followed by the founder directly or indirectly. If I am starting a organization means my organizational culture how it will like means it depends upon my idea and character. What is my character and what is my idea is influencing the organizational culture, and it followed by the degree of success for the future endeavors. So how organizational begin is how organizational culture begins is it begins with the idea thought process of the founder of an organization. It is known as then organizational culture begins like that. A organization current customs traditions and general way of doing things that largely due to what it has done before, what it has done previously, and it focusing on the degree of success for the future endeavors. The original source of organizational culture, it must reflects the vision of the organizational founders. That means what I have already said is organizational culture reflect the vision and missions of the organizational founders, because the founders have the original idea. The founders have some original ideas, the founders have some thought process, the founders have some characters. That thought process, that characters, that ideas reflects on vision mission, as well as that vision mission reflects on the organizational culture also. So this is the base point. Each and every organizational culture, it depends upon the ideas and thought process of the founder of an organization. Next one is sustaining a culture. Once a culture is fixed, once a culture is derived, it has to be practices within the organization. It has to practices by all the employees in an organization. So culture is begin how it is means by the mindset of the founder, by the ideas and the thought process of the founder. Based upon that vision mission statements are clearly stated. So once organizational culture is derived means automatically that organizational culture have to practices within the organization, that organizational culture have to maintain by employees of an organization. So how this sustaining a organizational culture can be driven? How we can able to sustain or retain a organizational culture in an organization? So for sustaining and retaining a organizational culture, a company have to follow three elements. So the sustaining of organizational depends upon three forces. First one is selection, second one is top management, and the third one is socialization. So these three elements or three forces, when an organization is following effectively and efficiently, means so that we can able to maintain as well as sustain a organizational culture in a smooth and positive manner. Selection, top management, and socialization.